Hello viewers, welcome to Bolide Technology Group's DVR tutorial series. This episode will be on how to use your digital video recorder's live view features. The Bolide DVR navigation is very user-friendly. Once the hardware is set up with our quick plug-and-play technology, plug in a USB mouse to the front of the DVR to navigate its menus. Right-click with the mouse to access the quick menu. You can change the layout for your camera feeds here. The quick menu has 4 camera, 9 camera, and 12 camera layouts. You can use special layouts that emphasize 1 or 2 important camera feeds. Rearranging your layout is simple. All you need to do is hold left click on the camera feed you want to move and then drag and drop it to where you want it to be. Instead of layouts, there's also the sequence live view. Click the circular arrows on the quick menu to activate this feature. This viewing mode cycles through camera feeds at intervals you can change from the main menu. Right-click into the quick menu and then press the leftmost button to reach the main menu. The setting for the sequence intervals are under Parameters in the Output section of the Display settings. Change the dwell time to increase or decrease the sequence speed. The output section is also where you'll be able to adjust the resolution your DVR will cast onto your monitor. Keep in mind that you must have a monitor capable of supporting the DVR's resolution in order to view the DVR. In the Live section of the display settings, you will be able to change the positions of the date, time, and channel name on a live view feed by pressing Setup for the OSD position. Drag and drop the tags where you want them to be. The Live section also allows you to customize the name of a camera channel. Always remember to press Save in order to lock in any changes to your settings. Double left click a specific camera channel if you want to have it show up full screen. The final setting we'll feature in this tutorial is privacy masking. This creates censor bars for your video feeds. You can customize privacy masks on each channel by going to the Privacy Zone section of the display settings. Enable Mask Area to turn this feature on, and then check however many masks you want to use. Press Setup, and then hold and drag left click to customize where you want each privacy mask to cover. This is just the beginning of what you can accomplish with Bolide Technology Group's digital video recorders. Join us next time.